Yeah. Morning all. So the last session, just I was briefing you about the data types and variables. Data types. Data. One second. Data types mainly are of two types. Fundamental data types, yes. And secondly, collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data type. Fundamental data types, object to holding single value. What do you mean by fundamental data types? Means object to holding single value. Means object holding single value. X equal to 10. X equal to 10, right? Yes, observe. Internally, one object is created. Internally, one object will be created, right, with value 10, right? It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. This object to holding single value. What is this? Object to holding single value. Object holding single value. Right? Yes. Collection data type means the name itself saying collection of values, group of values, set of values, object to holding, multiple values or group of values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One object is created. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Object holding group of values. Object holding group of values are multiple values or set of values. Collection data type. If it is holding single value, it is fundamental type, right? One second. Yes. Now, what are the various fundamental data types? What are the various collection data types? Right. Fundamental data types. Mainly there are of 5 types. Fundamental data types, mainly there are of 5 types. First one, int, float, boolean, string, complex. Int, float, boolean, string, complex. Int, something like age 25, age value 25. Float, something in the decimal point, right? For example, height equal to 6.2. This is what float type. Boolean, something like true or false, which returns either true or false. And this one, sequence collection of characters. City equal to Hyderabad. Age 25, height 6.2, true or false. String city equal to sequence collection of characters. And this complex in general mathematics, right? X plus IY you say. X plus I or A plus IB. So, but in Python, this is real part, this is imaginary part. But instead of 5, we use the symbol J in Python. Everything same, but only that symbol changes. Fundamental data types, mainly 5 types: integer, float, boolean, string, complex. Okay. Collection data types mainly are of 4 types. Yes. Is my voice clear to all? Once again, can anyone please confirm? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's coming.
It's clear, right? So,
Yeah, it is
yes.
clear.
Yeah. Shouldn't Sahu, right? Check. It's from your side. Next. Collection data types. Collection data types, right? Yes. Collection data types mainly are of 5 types. Sorry, 4 types. Yes. List represented using squared bracket. Tuple represented using normal braces. Set represented using curly braces. Dictionary, collection of key and value format. Key colon value. List using square bracket, tuple set by using curly braces. Dictionary, F key and value format, right? Something. Okay. Dictionary key and value means, for example, X is a dictionary. Uh, for example, name Ajay. For example, Ajay. Age 25. Right? Key and value. This is key, this is value. This is key, this is value. Key value representations. So a list tuple sets and dictionaries. The dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Yes. Next. File, new file. Next. See, we have got a lot of discussion on this collection data types, right? List tuple sets and dictionaries. Nearly like 1 week we'll be discussing on it. List properties, list indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, tuple operations, sets, dictionaries. But in the case of fundamental, we have got a lot of discussion on string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters for text. File, new file. What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented in Python. A string is represented, right? Is represented single quote, second using double quote, single quote, double quote, and a triple quote. Single quote, double quote, triple quote. For example, X equal to a city name Hyderabad. So sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. Yes, a string. String is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, string we use single quote, double quote, and triple quote. X equal to Hyderabad means sequence collection of each character of a string. Observe, each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. First one, positive index. or forward index? Positive index or forward index? Index starts from left to right. Index starts with a 0. Yes. Second, negative index. Negative index or backward index? Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Okay. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Okay. Observe this diagram like this. X equal to Python. I'm taking a string. Whenever you define a string, internally one object is created with some address. P Y T H O N 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. This we call it like a positive index. Positive index or forward index. This we call it like a backward index. Sorry, negative index or backward index. Positive index or forward index. Negative index or backward index. Positive index or forward, negative index or backward index. What is the X is your string name? X is your string. What is the value of X of 2? Everyone try to answer what is X of 2 value? The character T, right? T, this T. What is the value of X of -2? This O, right? So if you want to access a particular character of a string, we got forward index or a backward index. Now, so this is single line comment in Python. This is a single line comment. If you're starting any line with the hash character, it says right single line string. If you want to comment all this, keep triple quote and with triple quote. Keep everything right in this way. So you have commented all this. Now, x equal to Python. X equal to Python, right? Yes. Print x. Type of x. Type of x will be str, string type. Len of x means number of characters. Number of characters within this string. Number of characters within this string, right? Yes. File, save. Okay. Run a run module. Python. What type? String type. Length is what? 6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. Print x plus y, right? This we call it like concatenation. Yes. I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Then concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. First string followed by second. Just observe this output. Run mod. Python plus programming. Python programming. Adding these two strings. But I want space between these two. Python space programming. Python space programming again. Python space programming. Yes. Now there is what concatenation, adding two strings. Now string slicing. Just observe, right? String slicing. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to string slicing, right? Yes. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Extract only Python from this. Extract or print only Python from this. Extract only Python from this one. Yes. Print x of I want to extract only this Python. 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 I need to say x of 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6. Means here this is lower bound, this is upper bound. Always upper bound excluded. I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Now try to say yes. Print. Observe this output of this. str2 dot py. Right? Always this 6 will be excluded. If I give 5 here, 5 will be excluded. This n you want to get. So always this upper one. Just observe this output Python. Now try to say, everyone try to unmute yourself and try to give the responses. I want to extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion of the string. Extract only this prog. Extract only this prog.
Save n to 11.
Yes.
It should be 8. With 8, 6, 7.
0,
8, right?
1, 0. Start with 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 6 start with 7. 7 to 11. 7 to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10. It gives 11. 11 excluded. So PROG it gives, right? Everyone try to give the responses, right? Unmute yourself whether your answers are correct or not. Right. PROG. If I give in the opposite way, 11 to 7, what is output you get? 11 to 7, if I provide yes, what is output you get? Hmm. 7 to 11 means PROG. If I give in the opposite way, 11 to 7, empty string. Because always slicing in the forward direction.
But we do, with the negative, we can go reverse, right?
One second. Because always slicing in the forward means PROG, previously 7 to 11, it is fine. But 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward. Whenever you go in the backward direction, yes, it gives empty string. Observe this, whether you got empty string or not. empty string you got. But using negative index, you try to respond. Extract PROG using negative index. Let's give your answers, everyone. PROG using negative index. Hmm.
-4 to
PROG.
-8.
-4 to -8, you are going in the backward direction. You mean to say -4 to -8, you are going backward or forward? Backward, right?
Yeah, backward.
So it will be empty string. Using a negative also go in the forward direction only. Always slicing in the forward, either positive or negative. X of using negative index means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 also you want. So -7 to -7, -6, -5, -4. -4 if you do, it will be excluded. -3 you do. -7 polar, -3.
And if we put -3 to -7, in that case, what it would be?
Empty string.
Okay.
Because you are going in the backward direction, right? Always
Yeah.
backward direction. If you slash, use negative, that is empty string. Now extract the entire word program. Hmm. Extract the entire word program. Hmm. Using positive index, you say me first.
7 to 14.
7 you want, 8 you want, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 index not available. Can I take?
Yeah.
Yes, because 14 excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider. Or print x of 7 2. Don't provide this upper bound. Seven to 14 means yes program. Otherwise, don't give the upper bound. By default, it reads up to the end of the string. Both results the same output. Program. So for example, using negative index, you say me, right? Extract program using negative index. Print x of -7 to up to the end of the string. Yes. -7 to -1 means -1 excluded. -1 excluded means m we won't get. -7 you want, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. -1 means m you won't get that m. So just say -7 to, don't give the upper bound. Don't provide the upper bound, right? Yes. Yes. For example, if I ignore this lower bound, if I'm not giving this lower bound, right? Yes, up to 6 I'm saying. What is the output you get? From the start of the string to 6, just the same
Python.
output, Python.
Be 0.
Yes. By
And
default, it
if
takes from the start of the string to, by default, it takes start of the string to 6, 6 excluded up to 5. Same, this and this both are same.
if we give 7 to 20 or any big number in that case,
Same thing, 7 to 14, if you give 7 to 20, you give the same output. For example, if I ignore this both lower and upper, what you get? By default, it reads from the start of the string to up to the end of the string, the entire string, Python program. Is it compulsory to give spaces there here? Space here, space here. If I want to give space, is it valid?
so I
Yes,
guess
yes. Or if I say print x also fine, finally. Print x of 0 also to up to the end of the string. So all these 4 statements results the same output. All these 4 statements results the same output. Yes.
Hello?
Any query you got? Anyone? Please be in mute. Everyone, please. Yeah, please be in mute. Right. What is the output for this? X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. Means 0 index, next increment by 2 means this is, I'm writing comment for your understanding, right? First one is start value. Start value. Second is like stop value. And last is what? Step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. 0 to 14 with increment of 2. 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12, 14, 16, 18, right in this way. Means up to 12 only, sorry. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Even indexed characters only it is going to take. Even indexed characters. At 0 index, P. Next to 2 means T. Next to O. In this way it is. Yes, every alternate characters. For example, the same, if I rewrite print x of 0 to 14 means 0 to 14 means this, right? 0 to 14 means this one, entire string. Again with the increment of 2. Both are same, right? This both statements are same, right? Hello. 0 to 14 are this with the increment of 2. Both results the same output. Now print x of colon colon -1 means reverses the string. What is that? Reverses the string. Reverses the string, right? Yes. Okay. Observe this. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Have you heard about the word palindrome? Yes.
Yeah, same from both sides.
If you reverse a string, if you reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome. Right? If you reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome. For examples of palindrome, madam. If you reverse also, you'll get the same. Yes, mom. MOM, mom. DAD, dad. Malayalam. Malayalam. NITIN. Race car. LEVEL level. Yes. Someone said that. Yes. So this little LIRIL. Loril. For example, X equal to MADAM, right, madam? Print X, you will get the same thing. Print X, you are going to get the same output.
No, it will be always odd number in odd characters, odd number of characters in string.
Which one you're talking?
Means in any palindrome string will have odd number of characters. I mean, if we see all the madam, mom, dad, all is having odd
Almost,
number of.
almost.
Mm.
It doesn't mean that you need to have odd numbers, but for example, triple R, sorry, that is also 3 or same. For example, anything 2 digits also,
Yeah, double R. That was
double
also
R.
palindrome.
Okay, that's but doesn't mean that most of the time you will get odd digits. X equal to I want to reverse it. Colon colon minus 1, right? Just now I discussed. Store that output in Y. Store the output in Y. Print X, print Y. Both are printing the same thing, madam, right? It's a palindrome. Print X means madam, print Y also it's both printing madam. That's why it's a palindrome. Yes. So in Python, we know it write huge codings, very simple, right? We have got inbuilt methods and functions available for performing the task, right? So for example, we have got a string methods. String methods. First one, upper, to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X equal to yes. Hyderabad. The city, entire thing I want to print in uppercase. Print X is the string. Everything into upper means dot upper. That's it. Check it whether it is printing Hyderabad in upper. Save it first. Run module. Yes, next lower. to print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. Print X dot lower. X dot lower, right? It's to print in lowercase. Check it. Run module. Mumbai in lowercase. Run. Now observe this third one. Try to answer this. X equal to India is there. Only the first character I only should be in the uppercase. Remaining all in the lower cases only. For that we have got a method called capitalize. Check it. Only the first character I only in the upper, remaining all in the lower cases. For capitalizing the first character of a string. For capitalizing the first character of a string. X of 0 dot upper means only the first character only in the upper. Yes. Means only this I in the upper. But here capitalize just is enough, right? Automatically it converts that first character. Observe this output. Only I in the upper case. Remaining all in the lower cases. And for you, just a query was asked, right? What happens X of 0 dot upper means only the first character only in the upper. I only will see the upper. Only this character will be printed in the output. For example, observe this. I got a string like this. Good morning, Hyderabad. How many words are there in this? Yes. How many words are there? 3 words. Each word, first character I want in uppercase, G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. Print each and every word, first character in the uppercase. X dot title. That's it. Every word, if 10 words are there, 100 words are there, every word, first character in the uppercase. Take it. Good. G in uppercase, morning, M in upper, H in uppercase. Title, title. For capitalizing the first character for capitalizing the first character of each word. Where exactly this title can be useful in real time means, for example, I got some employees data, employees names, employees equal to yes. I'm giving some names like this: Rohit, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Amar, Ramesh. In this way, some names are hundreds of names are there. Each and every employee name, first character I wanted in uppercase. EMPS is the string name, dot title, that's it. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase.
So
So it's all
here
in uppercase.
how it identify that word?
Word means here it is space separated. Here it is comma separated. See that the words are the strings. Here it is space separated. It is comma. Any separated, whatever separated is there. Next.
Okay. So any alpha except alphabet, anything is there, it will consider as a separator.
Yes, most of the time you will be having space or comma only as separators. Take any English statement, space will be the separator. So representing employees details, customer details, employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, salaries. All employee names also.
Okay.
Okay. EMPS dot title. Next, we have got method like replace. Replace method. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string, right? For example, x equal to, I'm saying a string like Java is easy. Now try to replace print x dot, x is the string, replace the word. Which word you want to replace? The word Java with Python. What is the output you get? Yes, Python is easy. Replacing the word Java with Python. Python is easy. For example, you got a string. Java is easy and Java is simple. And Java is simple. So if multiple times Java is occurring, will it replace each and every occurrence of Java or only the first occur Java?
Only first.
It will
This will be
replace
everything, right?
every occurrence of every Java will be replaced with Python. Every occurrence with run module. Right? So in this way, we have got many methods available, right? So upper, lower, capitalize, title, replace, swap case, count, format, find, split, starts with, ends with, many more methods. Right? We don't need to write huge codings. All these statements look like normal English statements, right? Yes. So in the next class, I'll be briefing you about more string methods. More string methods, right? Yes. Fine. So tomorrow, as I said, right, tomorrow the link will be changing. So you are supposed to get enrolled. And after, if you got enrolled, try to forward the screenshot of your payment to the online team. That is DURGASOFT online training, right? That is the mail ID they have provided in the message. You can see a big message given by this online team in the chart for the payment details. There you have given the course content that full stack web development course content. If you have anyone there who didn't attend the previous videos, right, available there. And from tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive. From tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting this all these notes to your mail IDs. And tomorrow, a WhatsApp link, what is it? WhatsApp group is going to be created. Will be added into the WhatsApp, right? Yes. So for Python 4 and advanced, so it's 2 months duration, 70 hours will be spending. 5,000 is the course fee, and for Python full stack, along with Python, um, you'll be learning some other 4 to 5 other technologies that in this Python full stack like the Django framework, you'll be learning that. Flask framework, you'll be learning that. REST APIs, MySQL database, yes, and UI technologies. UI technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django framework, Flask framework, REST API, MySQL, and project. So for the entire full stack, right? If you are doing taking the entire full stack with a single payment, right? It's 10,000. If you're going separately, Python 5, and that will be 7, it will be 12, right? Yes, and there is one more package I said, big data package. I also discussed the big data Hadoop and Spark. So Hadoop, PySpark, Linux, and Python. This 2 months course, whatever I discussed, is a part of the Python package. If you want both Hadoop and Python package, right? The fee is like 20,000, which includes Hadoop, PySpark, Linux, Python 4 and advanced.
స్నానం చేస్తుంది.
Please be in. Please be in. Right? So mostly like Monday to Friday you'll be having, but some Saturdays I'll be taking classes based on, right? Tomorrow there is a class, everyone. Tomorrow there is a class at same time, 8 o'clock. Yes. And next Saturday and Sunday there is a demo for this. It's a new batch is going to start for this big data, right? Yes. And any other queries you got? I want the sessions to be more interactive. For every statement I type, will be responding, right? What is the expected output? Yes. Tomorrow, more discussion on the string methods and input-output operations of Python, right? So if I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I will sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 8 o'clock using the same day. Full stack Python, full Python course, the duration will be, right, 2 months for Python and 2 months for that full stack, right? Totally 4 months it will be. But if you want to go parallelly also, Monday to Friday, you can go with Python. Saturday and Sundays, there will be weekend classes for the frameworks, these things. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours in the mornings only. Right? It will be completed in 2.5 months. Otherwise, one after the other, you can go, right? Once you got enrolled with that, you can attend any of my Django batches or this framework batches with this. Fine. Yes, you missed yesterday's class, right? You can check it there, right? In the chart, in the Zoom chart, you can see a big message in that they have given demo videos, right? In that the previous videos, right? You can see. Okay, fine. Some other. Okay, tomorrow a new link. So link will be forwarded to your mail IDs, right? Yes. Okay. Fine. So you can also take the contact details of the online team. Sometimes if you're not getting the link, you can contact them. Yes. Right. So I'm stopping here. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all for your time.
Yeah, thank